Sanbonani. So Mamelodi Sundowns 0. And then the team that they were playing against, which is coached by one of the coaches that I actually have a lot of respect for, Team Kamangoba Mneti Abafana Westende. They've just won this game. So yeah, I don't wanna lie, like this league this season is gonna be interesting, very but we're gonna be seeing which like our teams Kukune is gonna be in the underdogs, but at into a league or Orlando Pirates, as they said, that's actually their priority, very but what's league. And this is the season vela bokumele amabhakani aphakame if things they just continue going like that. So yeah, obvious that this is not okay on paper. This is one of our matches where like Moses with the Wapega Vela will be speaking about Kutina. Arrows vela they'll be playing deep, and then Sundowns they'll be like more offensive, they'll be more attacking. But Arrows being led by one of the like best coaches, about coach like Onenkani, available, even a coach that always talks a lot. One of the coaches that actually talks a lot to Mangoba Mate available, and he speaks and is not the type of coaches of like criticize my teams, and then after that he wouldn't allow it to me. And today he actually showed the way abafana bakhe vele bayile badlala ngakhona, even somehow angazi into Golden Arrow they just became PSG or Barcelona or what, because like game plan yabo it was actually going well, and they even created many opportunities. They were even like robbed at some time on point yabo, because okay, let me just describe it about match about the way in a corner. Okay, so Golden Arrows they just allowing isa bebanga press kakhulu abo Sundowns yabo, bebanga press from like keeper vele ukuthi like keeper pressure from ukuthi keeper maqeda ukudlala ibhola vele yabo, and then bazobe seba press but they'll allow keeper ukuthi aphase into defenders, but also they wouldn't be playing like on their half position. And then when the ball is about to be played in the midfield, that is when bebazo pressure khona ukuthi banga-allow vele midfield ukuthi vele idlale and stuff. And yeah, that actually worked for them because by the like opportunities buyer, which is where I think the first opportunity on the 90th minute like I noticed about by Tolile when they passed to De Jong, and then they were like, nah, it is actually offside, which was in the offside about according to me. And in terms of rewatch again about what things now, it wasn't really offside, so they were robbed, and the Liabo chance where about Golden Arrows win a very high about. And lento if we are for being honest like yasibulalisa la like eMzansi yabo, they just still khani manje bakhuluma ngezinto ukuthi khani ibudget sephumile, abo refs abe trainer in they were singing that song for about 3 seasons, and I just can't like comment that much yabo buyo versus Solina, because we're not the people in Bawa, we don't know what we listen to Zamba and stuff, and even though we have an idea which they're not efficient as they are supposed really to be. So yeah, Golden Arrows they were just keeping on doing that, and they were creating many opportunities. And the crazy part is that even like Utemakpeli first half, Sundowns only had like 1 attempt and 1 shot, 1 goal attempt and 1 shot, which is crazy. From like it is the way it's like oh man, baby, I play nearly available. And as like a coach, go to yellow, I coach available team level before I believe go to yellow about like. Well, you knew like my advantages and advantages about money, and you was just getting my opportunities money, because I remember on the 25th minute there was a ball pass on a kuka and that guy the speaker was catching my face, and the was just becoming a problem. He was the same guy that was actually giving into him his achieves about into problem and you know another person that is actually becoming a problem, it is you when we are subscribed right now. So yeah, subscribe, like, comment, tell me what you think about the video and the match. So yeah, Undo was busy giving our problems money the left hand side vele Sundowns available left hand side of his Sundowns. He was giving Motiva like a problem where he was dealing with a lot with Motiva that side. So yeah, he's the type of playing it peggy with Makpeli season available. He'll be signed. Maybe definitely angasana ipagani yabo, because like a relationship between bona arrows, or somehow it can happen with the Sundowns or mhlawumbe kwi-course. I don't know, but that guy he's something else, and angimazi ukuthi like unangaka. I don't know ukuthi usukaphi. Like he's just something else. I would just love to give like him his flowers, yabo. Asadlala vele kahle, because hey, you know football sometimes you can be on your peak time and then yabo, you're on a draft, but he's leading on like he's on a right path available the way angakhona available. So yeah, something like that happened on the first half, and then second half available. Unto bayile create like an opportunity. Okay, sometimes that is when they actually even introduced Santos. And I just want to speak about the fact that like Mamelodi Sundowns announced a player, I think about 2 days, not a day ago, yabo. And they say introduce but a certain team, my team, not a certain team, my team, and actually they're taking time with my players will fix the problem. Like they be talking about paper issues, they be talking about 1, 2, 3, 4 players was we care for what, which is somehow Baba Nale issue there with the Lacunas Ribna available. I mean, like there's a lot going on in that naturally, and I hope would like they can look with Sundowns the way they are doing things available and become more professional. Because I'm not saying it is one of the clubs that is regarded as the most professional clubs. They are taking care of their players and staff near but mabalungisa indaba yabo vele administration yabo, indaba yabo admin, lungisa indaba zabo zamaphepha and stuff quick as possible yabo, ungayenzi izinto ezi-sketchy, because other teams they announce players and then so same thing. For example, Swelele yesterday they were announcing ukuthi bathola a loan from two of our boys abo be-Kaizer Chiefs, and then after that they were just playing same time yabo. So please ngicela ukuthi like ifix vele into le naturally. I just wanted to go on that part very quick. So we saw Santos. What do I think about Santos? What's rate for that actually give him? I believe ukuthi like he's a skillful player. Uthe asangena nongena, but was trying to share like his skill, somehow it didn't actually work vele yabo. But the way I'm noticing he played thanda like his 10, share like his 10 and stuff. I would tell like one thing about me, I don't know about other people name. But if play Malibnan, you can see with like the first time like I like a ball. That is when you'll see. If you're not even attending the ball, the first time as about the interaction ball, that is when you actually gotta see with Lebanon and Santos, the new jersey number 10 for him. Sometimes I believe he's gonna be giving a lot of a problem available this season for our teams. I hope he's not on the same level with Ribeiro, because hey, we're gonna be crying a lot again. But he seems like a skillful player available the way younger corner. And I welcome to PSL Santos. I hope he has a great season available. So, and another thing, sometimes that way, I just wanna, it was just weird. It was by introducing wonke like their new players, because this other player bengikhohliwe ngiyaxolisa bafowethu ngilengamkhohlwa, but lo angicazi but this is another, I think he's a midfield or something we were introduced there. And then there was a boy that I saw like for the first time, amazi ukuthi bamsigning also development, but ubani OB Mokwena bengikhona ngithi Tebu Rainbow Lions, and then khona nale ubani Mokwena. It was first time I saw like that guy. So I don't know ukuthi usukaphi, angalandeli kangako, and I'm supposed ukuthi like ngilande ukuthi kwenzakalani vele yabo. So yeah, and another thing I saw when Cupid actually had a injury vele yabo, I think head injury. I hope ukuthi like can recover anytime soon. Yellow I told her that I think around Boma 68 minutes or something, I'm not sure, but it was second half. I hope he'll recover anytime soon. And then yeah, Williams, that way I consider a call first half. It was just disappointing, if I'm being honest. And I was about to come here and criticize me, but like as always, Mchituma saw it in yabo. But at the end of the match, available ama saves la wayele wayenza is couple of seconds yabo. Utenza like ama saves twice. When like besabantu besabazama ukuthi bamkore vele about 2 times when Arrows was attacking. So yeah, I hope also like he's gonna be actually be doing good. And no Komale Mr. 1-on-1 after Mukwena, after free kick very like Mukwena. Typically free kick Mukwena like he needed more energy available behind the ball. And then yeah, number 22, Mr. Cornelius Miniti. It was a player in the Arrows, and then that is where I gave like Williams really credit available. So my man of the match, who would I actually give it to? I think my man of the match, I'll actually give it to one and all. Kache Nubuya Benya to Jove, he was causing a lot of problems. There was even a time where like as pasa corner, but Bamliga receiver like a polar, so and then like all pass and then after as a pinto was tall, and he was just becoming so skilled. But I like Begazenzela too much that side. So yeah, that is how the match went. They introduced new players. We're gonna be seeing a lot from the Isan. So Sundowns, maybe it's gonna be an interesting season actually for them. So yeah, thank God.